That's how it's done. Ripstop. Rapala ripstop. There's another one. Ooh, I need a camera, man. But see that tree down right there? Just took it, just ripstop. Bam, bam. Jerking. Jerk, 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 stop. Jerk, jerk, stop. Bam. Even got me hung up in the tree a little bit, but she came right out. All right, let's turn this one loose. Ain't no other boat seeing me catch all these bass. I hope not. Anyway, let me see. Let's get the hooks out of this one. All right, there's a nice little fish. Same size. Well, this one's a little smaller than that last one. This one's definitely a male. Nice fish. All right. Thanks for joining the party, baby. See you later. We'll be right back. I'm gonna get another one.